Good morning again, my fellow farmers, gardeners, my fellow YouTube creators. Our video for today is about an update of our garlic seeding, garlic planting. Okay, last time we have planted seeds of garlics, and then we mulch it with dry with leaves of coconut and the other leaves, and then I will update you what happened. Okay, sige, you see this. I already get pull out the mulch. Okay, ha. Here, this is now the result after 1 week. By the way, it is my first time to plant this garlic. Okay, I think if you have a very huge, very wide land, you can plant this. Can uh, you can have a business. You can profit more if you have more plants of garlic. More plants means more harvest, and then huge profit. Okay, that is the I share to you now is a basic technique of planting garlic. And then about months, 3 months, I will update you on harvesting our garlics. Thank you, and please like and subscribe our videos.